Back, everybody, 744. Regenerative medicine allows your body to heal itself after illness or injury. It's the non-surgical option for injuries and conditions like arthritis, neck pain, hip, or joint pain. But you must do your research before accepting treatment from an unregulated clinic that hasn't been vetted or approved by the FDA for their procedures. Dr. Kristin Oliver from the Bluetail Medical Group Orthopedic Clinic in Chesterfield is here to explain more about that. Good morning. Thanks so much for coming in.
Good morning.
We touched on this in December of 2017. I know the FDA came out with a warning. Has it gotten better since then?
Unfortunately, it hasn't. A lot of providers have looked at that as, hey, this is going to happen in 2020. That's a long way away. The FDA has upped the ante a little bit. They put out a recent video and then have been sending letters to providers letting them know, hey, this is a real thing. You need to make sure you're following our guidelines by the end of, I would say, December 1st, 2020.
So when you have a clinic and you're using the approved FDA method, you need to register with the FDA.
Well, the FDA allows certain things. So in order to perform what currently is FDA approved is platelet-rich plasma and bone marrow concentrate. Those are FDA approved. What is not FDA approved are things such as placenta, exosomes, fat, and culture expansion. Those things are considered in a separate category. For those, you do have to register with the FDA and have a special basically a study to get what they call an investigational new drug.
What are some of the dangers you could run into if it's not FDA approved?
Well, the FDA is trying to protect us, and I shouldn't say protect us, protect the patient and the consumer. And until there's been a certain amount of safety and efficacy studies done here in the United States, they don't want to let that be used on a routine basis on patients.
Okay, well, let's talk about the procedure, some of the procedures that are done at Bluetail, and I know since you opened, it has expanded.
Correct. Yeah, the main thing that we focus on is musculoskeletal disease, things such as rotator cuff tears, plantar fasciitis, knee osteoarthritis, hips, etc. We do a little bit of cosmetic. One of our physician assistants does some things with PRP facials and things such as that. But we stick with the musculoskeletal line primarily.
So like plantar fasciitis, you would take the cells out.
We would draw blood.
Draw blood.
Concentrate it for platelets, inject it under ultrasound guidance into the area that's affected in order to enhance the body's healing effect and get that to be basically healed when we're done.
Does it shorten the recovery time immensely?
Oh, immensely.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, well, that's good to know. Well, if you want to get more information, you can always check out Bluetail Medical Group. They're in Chesterfield on North Outer 40 Road, and we've got the information there on the screen, and we'll put that on our website as well at fox2now.com. Dr. Oliver, thanks so much for coming in. Appreciate it. We're going to